Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where we break down the cars that truly matter. And today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 BMW Z4, a roadster that continues to carry BMW's legacy of open-top driving with modern performance and everyday usability in mind. The BMW Z4 has always been about blending sporty excitement with real-world comfort, and the 2026 model is expected to refine that formula even further. It's designed for driving enthusiasts who want something fun for the weekends, but still comfortable enough for daily use, whether that's a commute through the city or a long coastal highway drive with the top down. From the outside, the 2026 Z4 maintains its low-slung, wide stance that immediately signals performance. The long hood and short rear deck give it classic roadster proportions, while sharper body lines and sculpted surfaces add a modern, aggressive edge. The headlights are expected to feature BMW's latest LED technology with a slimmer, more focused look, while the taillights wrap neatly around the rear to emphasize width. Overall, the Z4 has a confident road presence that feels athletic without trying too hard. Step inside, and the cabin reflects BMW's focus on driver engagement mixed with premium quality. Materials are expected to include soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery on higher trims, and solid build quality throughout. The seating position is low and sporty, with supportive seats designed for spirited driving, but comfortable enough for longer trips. Cabin space is naturally limited in a two-seat roadster, but BMW is expected to offer practical storage solutions and a usable trunk that can handle daily errands or a weekend getaway. The 2026 BMW Z4 is expected to come in multiple trims, each targeting a slightly different type of driver. Lower trims are likely to focus on balanced performance and comfort, while higher trims should add sportier suspension tuning, upgraded brakes, and more aggressive styling details. Performance-oriented versions are expected to include larger wheels, sports seats, and additional driving modes for a more engaging experience. Under the hood, the Z4 is expected to offer a range of turbocharged engines. A four-cylinder option should deliver strong efficiency with lively acceleration, while a more powerful inline-six is expected to provide a noticeable jump in performance with smooth power delivery and a classic BMW driving feel. Acceleration should be quick and responsive, and rear-wheel drive is expected to remain standard, keeping the handling sharp and engaging through corners. Fuel efficiency for the 2026 Z4 is expected to be reasonable for a performance-focused roadster, with estimated figures that balance power and everyday usability. Exact numbers haven't been confirmed, but BMW typically tunes its engines for a strong mix of efficiency and performance. Technology plays a big role in the Z4 experience, with an expected digital instrument cluster, a large central infotainment screen, and BMW's latest iDrive system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice controls are likely to be standard or widely available. Safety features are expected to include driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. In terms of value, the 2026 BMW Z4 is expected to start around a competitive price point for a premium roadster, offering a unique blend of luxury, performance, and open-air driving. It's best suited for drivers who value style, driving enjoyment, and brand heritage over maximum practicality. In the end, the 2026 BMW Z4 stands as a confident expression of what a modern roadster should be, blending timeless design with evolving technology and performance. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive content.